Warning: a very powerful recipe. Use only 1 teaspoon 2 times a week. Hi, I'm Dr. Mia, a nutritionist. Today I'm going to share a very healthy recipe with you. Turn on subtitles. I'm translating into all languages. 1 onion, friends. I made this video very detailed. Write in the comments whether you like the long format of the video. Peel the onion. Onions are highly beneficial for men's health due to their rich nutrient and antioxidant profile. Men's health benefits: heart health. Onions improve blood circulation, reduce cholesterol levels, and lower blood pressure, promoting cardiovascular health. Immune support: their high antioxidant content strengthens the immune system and combats inflammation. Blood sugar regulation: onions help maintain healthy blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetes. Prostate health: compounds in onions may support prostate health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Hormonal boost: onions are believed to stimulate testosterone production, enhancing health and libido. Improved blood circulation: by promoting better blood flow, onions can support erectile function and overall performance, energy and vitality. Onions improve stamina and reduce fatigue, contributing to a more active and fulfilling life. Adding onions to a balanced diet can enhance men's overall health and support reproductive vitality. 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic is a potent natural remedy that supports men's health and enhances libido due to its rich nutritional profile and bioactive compounds. Heart health: garlic improves blood circulation, lowers cholesterol levels, and reduces blood pressure, supporting cardiovascular health. Immune boost: its antibacterial and antioxidant properties strengthen the immune system. Anti-inflammatory: garlic reduces inflammation, protecting against chronic diseases. Energy and vitality: it enhances metabolism and overall energy levels, promoting stamina and endurance. Improved blood flow: allicin, a compound in garlic, enhances blood circulation, crucial for erectile function and performance. Hormonal balance: garlic may boost testosterone levels, supporting reproductive health and libido. Stress reduction: by reducing oxidative stress and promoting relaxation, garlic helps create favorable conditions for a healthy drive. Regular consumption of garlic, as part of a balanced diet, can significantly benefit men's overall health and vitality. A piece of ginger. Ginger is a versatile superfood that offers numerous benefits for men's health and libido due to its powerful bioactive compounds and nutrients. Men's health benefits: anti-inflammatory: ginger reduces inflammation, alleviating muscle soreness and joint pain, which supports active lifestyles. Heart health: it improves blood circulation and lowers blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. Digestive support: ginger aids digestion, reduces bloating, and promotes gut health. Immunity boost: its antioxidant properties strengthen the immune system and protect against oxidative stress. Blood sugar regulation: ginger helps stabilize blood sugar levels, benefiting energy and metabolism. Improved circulation: ginger enhances blood flow, essential for erectile function and performance. Hormonal balance: it may help boost testosterone levels, improving reproductive health and libido. Energy and stamina: ginger combats fatigue and promotes overall vitality, enhancing endurance. Stress relief: its calming properties reduce stress and anxiety, which can positively impact drive. Incorporating ginger into the diet can boost overall health while enhancing libido and well-being.